Hey everyone! Welcome to your quick guide on mastering YouTube ads. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, understanding how to effectively use ads can drastically change your channel's game. So, let's dive right in. First things first, why should you even bother with YouTube ads? Well, apart from the obvious, making money ads can actually help you grow your audience by reaching people who might not find you otherwise. Now, to get started, you need to have your YouTube channel set up and in good standing. This means no copyright strikes or community guideline violations. Got that? Great. Next up, you need to join the YouTube Partner Program, or YPP. This is crucial because it's the gateway to monetizing your content with ads. To qualify, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months. Sounds daunting, but trust me, it's achievable with consistent content that your audience loves. Once you're in the YPP, it's time to set up your Google AdSense account if you haven't already. This is where the money flows in, so make sure all your details are accurate and up to date. Alright, now onto the fun part, creating ads. YouTube offers several types of ads like skippable in-stream ads, non-skippable in-stream ads, video discovery ads, and bumper ads. Each has its own benefits depending on your goals. Want to drive sales? Skippable ads might be your best bet. Looking to increase brand awareness? Consider non-skippable ads. But here's a pro tip. Always, and I mean always, keep your target audience in mind. Use YouTube's detailed targeting tools to make sure your ads are seen by the people most likely to be interested in your content. You can target based on age, location, interests, and more. Lastly, don't forget to analyze your results. YouTube provides powerful analytics tools that let you track how your ads are performing. Use this data to tweak your strategies, optimize your content, and ultimately, maximize your earnings. And there you have it, a crash course in YouTube ads mastery. Remember, patience and persistence are key. Keep experimenting with different types of ads and strategies until you find what works best for you and your channel. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on taking your channel to the next level. Catch you in the next video.